Hi guys, my name is William. I work at Hyundai Steel Auto Group at 3625 Kemp Road. Here's a walk around of the new Hyundai Venue 2024 model.
Welcome to Hyundai Steel Auto Group, 3625 Kemp Road, Halifax. The Venue has a strong yet sophisticated SUV profile that radiates road presence. With available Hyundai SmartSense features like forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection in Venue Essential trim and blind spot collision warning in Venue Preferred trim, you can take on the hustle of the concrete jungle with confidence. Explore all day with standard SmartStream intelligent variable transmission, designed to replicate the natural acceleration of conventional automatic shifting gears with the added benefit of greater fuel efficiency. SmartStream G1.6 inline 4-cylinder engine. It has a horsepower 121 at 6,300 integrated rear spoiler. The 2024 Hyundai Venue boasts 18.7 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats but increases to 31.9 cubic feet with the back seats folded down. This should allow for everyday items and passengers to go into the main cabin of your Venue, as well as more oversized items when you fold down the second row of seats. All Venues come reasonably well equipped with standard features, cruise control, Bluetooth, and hands-free phone system. 4.2-inch TFT LCD display also shows lane assist screen, trip meter, and tire pressure monitoring device. The user setting option can be used to make changes in driver assistance, cluster, lights, door, or convenience as per customer liking. Cluster settings can be changed to suit your mood. Including an 8-inch touchscreen, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports, comes with front heated seat and remote keyless entry. Feel free to contact me at Hyundai Steel Auto Group. William phone number 782-882-2734.